Hello, it's Morgan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make fireworks on a piece of paper. These look really cool and they're 3D. I found this on Pinterest and today I am trying it out. You're going to need salt, food coloring, glue, 3 bowls, and a sheet of paper. So you're going to take your 3 bowls and you're going to put some salt in it and some food coloring. Whatever food coloring you have works. It can be like anything really. You can probably use some paint, but today I just chose to use food coloring because paint, it will kind of get the sugar or salt stuck together and then it will not spread. So I made red, white, and blue because it's almost 4th of July. And there's some white flecks in the red and blue. And then I experimented on some colors with the food coloring. Do not mix colors in food coloring. It does not work. It will just turn out like black. So once you have those mixed, you're just going to set them aside. You won't need those until later. So now you're going to take your glue and you can make kind of the shape of a firework. So you're going to just kind of make the lines to make it look like it's popping out. So you're going to go from the middle. Just kind of make your lines so it looks like a firework. You don't have to just do fireworks with this. You can do anything you want, like a heart or anything. So you can see, you kind of make the shape of a firework. So now this is the time that you're going to use your salt. So you're going to take your salt, and you probably know, sprinkle it over the glue. You can have fun with this, mix colors, just make it your own. So you can kind of shake it around. So it gets everywhere. I'm just going to pour the extra into a bowl. That'll look kind of like this. I hope you enjoyed doing this, and I sure had fun. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.